History Boys, the Fantasy Club champions, have gone and done it, courtesy of their magician-in-chief. Beyond remarkable, and there is a singular reason why. Goal now just one more crawling step from the World Cup final itself. The Arab world unites. The African continent believes. Its standard bearer continues to conjure with the barely believable. For the first time in the history of the World Cup, there will be an African nation.
First, I'm very happy that we have managed to beat a tough side like Senegal. But I must credit my goalkeeper first, because in the first 15 minutes when we had just scored, he kept us in the game. And that's what you need a keeper to, when everyone is beaten, to stand big in the goal. And I believe he did that. So I believe he's outstanding today. Waibi helped us to keep into the game. But overall, also the players kept on sticking to the instructions and manage the game until the 97th minute. Like I said last time, we don't want to get excited. We can only be happy for now, but take game by game. We play between Burkina Faso and Germany. I don't know who has qualified. So let's go back. Let's enjoy these few minutes here. Then when we go back, we focus on the next game.